my death.
You will not die.
I don't know when the way I dress, my fashion statement has become a key to seeing my end. For me, I feel like there's nothing that beats the fact that I can't step out of my house and there's no guarantee that I come back because of the way I look, because of the way I dress, because of the kind of hair I carry. SARS don't stop me tire. Now think about it. If I don't have a media passport, or I have to explain myself, must you be popular to be alive? Must you be a known person to be alive?
No.
Must you be someone as famous as this person or that person to be alive?
No.
Everybody in this world.
Now here we go sleep, so they can take it. But this place here, now here we go sleep.
Who is going live? Everybody.
Now here we go sleep. So carry everything you want to carry. But this place, we will sleep on the floor here.
Can we all on end? You brought us to us. Are we criminals? No.
Can we all on end? Yeah. We are on end. Can we all on end? On end. We have the authority. Go live.
Everybody.
My name is Do2un. For this purpose, my name is everybody here.
God bless you. God bless you.
I'm not here today as a comedian. I'm here as a citizen of the country in Lagos State.
Who has the interest of the people in mind?
My life at the moment is being threatened by SARS. I fear that if I drive now and I go home, I could get a bullet in my head. It could be my sister.
It's not a lie.
It could be any of us. It could be my loved one.
True.
Sir, I want to say something now. Not even you now. You, let me not go to the governor, the deputy governor, or the speaker yet. If you, sir, sent for me, given the circumstance, not for this, before all of this happened, if you sent for me, call that day boy, that call that Mr. Macaroni and once here, it's not possible that I will say, manager, love me, reaching for staff.
Possible.
We want to see the one that we elected into office.
Yes, sir.
It's not too much.
Yes.
It's not too much. This that is happening, it happens once in a while.
Yes.
I was here, I said it this afternoon, I'm still saying they can bully me. I was here during xenophobia attack. We marched from ICM, we marched. Later we came here, we finished here. By this time, saying that we are tired, because day in, day out, people that have been put in positions to protect their lives they are taking them without justice. And it is funny because we keep waiting for every time this happens. We keep waiting for the government to take responsibility. The government is there to serve. There's no other function for government than to serve. The government are not and can never be above us. They are working for us. So when we have issues that are biting us, it must be attended to without delay. We have been crying for years.